I'm Lance Terrell. I'm the sales manager here at Midwest Precision Incorporated. We are a sheet metal fabrication shop that supports OEMs on production and logistics. When I stepped into the role, I didn't have any prior experience when it came to managing a sales team, but I had all this experience in sales. What I never had was someone to show me, all right, take your sales hat, put it over here, and coach your team to either do the same thing that you were doing or something entirely different. I took that OMG test, and what I thought I should be doing was completely wrong. I thought my focus should be on sales, on the dollars coming in, and that shouldn't be my focus, not as a leader, not as a coach. For me, it was having a mentor available every week, someone that's been experienced in the system, experienced in the industry itself. Now I know that my success is determined by how well I can lead my team and coach my team to secure those sales.
After just a couple of coaching sessions for my sales manager, he ran a meeting involving several of our operations group. One of those folks in the operation group is difficult to impress. And after that first meeting, using SalesStar techniques, he literally walked out of the meeting saying, guys, this was the best sales meeting I have ever been in. That is an accomplishment.
Every time that we have a collaboration meeting, we're taking what we have learned, Brian and myself, and just slipping those golden nuggets of this is how I would approach this and this is why. The one-on-one, the growth sessions, implementing one learn change. They're all simple, defined, easy communication that you can have with not just people that work for you, but people that work with you. If you want to develop a team that wants to improve not only the process, but their relationships with their customers, absolutely. You're going to see the excitement of really establishing a real connection between the people that you manage and the customers that you try to take care of. I don't think I would have had that without the exposure to the SalesStar system.